Okay, on the next two, we got to multiply 3 of them together. So the first two, we're going to do the full. So I'm going to do this with the full. I'm going to get, what, plus 6x in the inside arch and minus 1x on the outside arch. Draw my 3 blanks. So x times 2x is 2x squared. We have 6 minus 1, which will be plus 5x. And then 3 times negative 1 is a negative 3. Okay, so I just multiplied these two and got this. Now I still have to multiply the x minus 3, don't I? So this drops. Now I'm going to use my box. And I need a 2 by 3 box, don't I? So I'm going to multiply 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. And then I have an x minus 3. So I'm going to multiply, get my box. X times 2x squared is 2x cubed. X times 5x is plus 5x squared. X times negative 3 is a minus 3x. Sign, number, letter, right? Negative 3 times a positive 2 is a negative 6x squared. Sign, number, letter, exponent. Negative 3 times a positive 5 is a negative 15x. And negative 3 times a negative 3 is a plus 9. Now that I'm going to write all this down. 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x minus 6x squared minus 15x and plus 9. I could group my x squares together and I could group my x's together. So this drops 2x cubed. Now then, 5x squared minus 6x squared. 6 is bigger, so the negative drops. 5 minus 6 is a negative 1. My letter's x, my exponent's 2. Technically, you wouldn't have to put that 1, would you? Let's look at these two, 3 and 15. 15, I have more 15s than I do 3. The negative would drop. Negative 3 minus 15 is a negative 18, and my letter's x. Sign, number, letter, and then the plus 9 drops. So this right here would be the answer. A lot of steps here. If you miss one single number up here, the whole thing's wrong. Let's do this problem. Draw the arches. We'll do the full first. You could do boxes again if you want. Negative 6x, and then if you multiply the outside, plus 2x. So negative 3 times 2x is minus 6x. 2x times 1 is plus 2x. Draw my 3 blanks. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Negative 6x plus 2x is minus 4x. And then negative 3 times 1 is a negative 3. Put this in parentheses, and we still have to multiply by the x minus 5, don't we? You're going to have to do this on your test, so make sure you can do this. Now then, we're going to multiply with the box. A lot of steps here. One sign and number that's wrong, the whole thing's wrong. Write down 4x squared minus 4x minus 3, and then x minus 5. X times 4x squared is 4x cubed. X times negative 4x is negative 4x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Then we'll go down to here. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20x squared. Negative 5 times 4 is a plus 20x. Negative 5 times negative 3 is a plus 15. You got to get every single sign and number right. Now then, I'm going to write all this down. 4x cubed. I'm going to do it a different way this time. I'm going to put my x squared terms next. So negative 4x squared, and I know I got to combine that with negative 20x squared, don't I? Then I'm going to write down my x's, negative 3x plus 20x, and then plus 15. So basically, I put these two terms together, and I put these two terms together. Now then, the 4x cubed drops. I got negative 4 minus 20. 20 is more than 4. I have more 20s than I do 4s, so the sign's going to be negative. Get the sign first. The signs are the same, so you add and get 24. The letter's x, the exponent's 2. Sign, number, letter, exponent. Negative 4 minus 20 is a negative 24 in it. Let's go to the 3 and the 20. I have more 20s than 3s. The sign's going to be positive. Negative 3 plus 20, this is negative, this is positive. I take 3 away from 20. I would get 17. My letter's x. Sign, number, letter. And then the plus 15 drops. This right here would be your product. Ho, 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 ho. A lot of arithmetic on this, but the numbers are itty-bitty. They're small. It's 6th grade math.